Howdy folks, Mark here ready to answer another FAQ for you. Today's question is from Joanna in San Diego who writes, how do I bulk move rows, templates, and folders between different workspaces? Great question, Joanna. Keeping your workspaces neat and organized is super important because it helps you quickly find what you need. But a big part of that is being able to move or copy assets like templates and rows across workspaces so that you can reuse them for different clients or projects. Now, let me show you how fast and easy it is to do this in Beefree. In order to copy rows, templates, and folders to a different workspace, you will need to be an owner, admin, or manager and have an account with multiple workspaces. Once you've logged into your Beefree account, navigate to the drop-down here and then select a workspace which contains the assets you want to move. Now, there's a distinction between moving folders and designs compared to templates and rows. Let me explain. When dealing with folders and designs, the original file is transferred or relocated from one place to another. For instance, if we hover over this email design and click the three dots, we'll see a move option, allowing us to transfer it. However, the process isn't the same for templates and rows. Instead of moving them directly, these assets require copying. And so if we navigate back to our library and try to do the same thing with a template or row, for this example, let's select this template here. When we click the three dots, the move option isn't available. And so instead, we'll need to make a copy, which allows us to duplicate and save this template to a new destination. Here, we're left to decide which workspace we'd like to copy our template to. So let's select Pendant Publishing and then hit Confirm. Okay, great. Our template is being copied to that workspace now. Now, if we try and do the same thing with any of our saved rows, we can see that this experience is exactly the same for both of these assets. Okay, now on to the main event, bulk copying these assets to another workspace. Let's focus again on copying several templates for this example. First, simply tick the white box next to each template you want to move to another workspace. Then hit Make a Copy. Here, you can copy your template to multiple workspaces. Once we're happy, we can click Confirm, and that's it. Each template has been duplicated into the workspaces we've chosen. Now, if we head to Rows, we can do the exact same thing by selecting multiple saved rows, like so, clicking Make a Copy, picking a workspace, and hitting Confirm. Great. Let's try and bulk move a few folders now. As we mentioned previously, with folders and designs, you can directly transfer the asset without copying it. We just need to tick the folders we want to move, click Move To in this bottom window here, select a destination, so let's pick our Hooli workspace, and done. Our folders are now being transferred to our Hooli workspace. Once we move past this screen, you'll also notice that the folders that we're moving appear grayed out and are no longer accessible. This is Beefree letting us know that our assets are currently in transit. Once they are successfully transferred, a notification will promptly appear in the notification center as you can see here. Just a quick note before we wrap up though. When using the bulk move function, images, files, and all the assets related to designs will remain in the original file manager. That means that they won't be moved or copied into the file manager of the new workspace. The images, however, will continue working within the design as expected and can be swapped out as usual. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you'll stay in the loop and never miss out on our latest updates and tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.